Spin me around and around, turn me upside down. Spin me around and around, let me feel. Spin me again and again, till I'm upside down. Calling again and again, my name. Hold me, tell me I'm not dreaming. I'm not dreaming. Hold me, tell me I'm not dreaming. I'm not dreaming. Hold me, tell me I'm not dreaming. I'm not dreaming. Tell me I'm the only one.
Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I make these pretty washcloths. You can use them for cleaning, you can use them for washing your dishes, you can use them in your bathroom. I like to use them for cleaning and in my kitchen for my dishes. So right here I'm just showing you a few printed fabrics that I have. I purchased pretty much all of these at Walmart. The prices are very good at Walmart. I want to say I don't spend any more than $3 a yard, maybe $4 a yard. And they do have quite a selection. This print right here, I actually purchased this one at Hobby Lobby and this one as well. Those are actually two of my favorite ones. And then I purchased this terry cloth at Walmart. So right here I already have two cut out, and I'm just going to show you what I use for a guide, and I will show you how I make them. So I hope you guys all enjoy the video.
I've been digging gold.
So this is what I use for my guide. I just take a quilting square and I just place it right on top of the fabric, and then I'll just use a pencil and I'll just outline the shape, and then I will just cut the squares out, and I will do the same exact thing for the printed fabric.
Spin me again and again, till I'm upside down. Call it again and again, my name. Turn me upside down. Turn me upside down. Oh, turn me upside down. Turn me upside down. Oh, I've been lost and found. I've been on the ground. I've been hiding out while shouting out. You had opened up. Oh, spin me around and around. Turn me upside down. Spin me around and around. Let me feel. Spin me again and again, till I'm upside down. Call it again and again, my name. Hold me, tell me I'm not dreaming. I'm not dreaming. Hold me, tell me I'm not dreaming. I'm not dreaming. Hold me, tell me I'm not dreaming. I'm not dreaming. I'm not dreaming. I'm not dreaming. Ooh, ooh, I wonder if you hear me, 'cause I've been crying out. I wanna have you near me again. I wanna have you close. I feel like I am falling whenever you're around.
So once I have all of my squares cut out, I will start sewing. And the terry cloth, it really doesn't matter which side you use, but for the printed one you want to make sure that it is facing down. And then I'm just going to sew a straight stitch almost completely around. I'm not going to completely sew around the entire square because I will be turning these inside out.
Come on and let me see you, and let me take your hand, and baby Please say you miss us too.
So right here you can see that I didn't make a complete stitch all the way around, and I'm going to show you what I do here in a second. I am just going to trim off the excess fabric that I have right here. I don't want it to get too bulky when I turn it inside out. I will also trim the corners here. It just makes the corners a little more crisp, I guess you would call it. Anyway, so right here I'm just going to turn it inside out, and then I'm going to flatten it. You could iron it. That would probably be the smart thing to do, but I'm a little impatient and I didn't want to get out my iron, and this has always worked just fine for me. So right here I've turned it all the way inside out, and then you will see the opening here at the top. I'm just going to flip it under and then just kind of hold it. This would be a smart time to use an iron as well, but like I said, I'm too impatient for that today. So what I will do is I will just hold it, and then I will just take my sewing machine and I will just sew a straight stitch completely around to finish the dish rack.
Hope we keep the light to shine. If there's a fire growing strong, I hope we leave the night behind to see the morning come. I hope we keep the light to shine. If there's a fire growing strong, I hope we leave the night behind to see the morning
So here they are all finished, and I think they turned out absolutely beautiful. You guys can really customize these to your decor, and if you have a sewing machine and you know how to sew a straight stitch, trust me, you can make these. They are super, super easy.
when I'll be coming home. I plan to
Thank you so much for watching, everyone. I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, I would love it if you left me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you are new, and I hope you guys all have a wonderful day. Bye.
fly whenever we're apart. It takes me through the night.